The TikTok creativity program is literally going crazy on the internet, and it is making people thousands of dollars every single month. It has literally turned into the most profitable side hustle online right now. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I am going to show you how to also start making over $10,000 per month just by uploading faceless videos on TikTok. Okay, so why should you even believe me? Well, this is a screenshot of what I was able to earn in just 30 days from the TikTok creativity program, so I know what I'm actually talking about. So click on that subscribe button and let's dive right into the video. Now, the TikTok creativity program beta is only available in a few selected countries. These are the big countries like the US, France, and the UK. So if you are not based in any of these countries, you can't get access to the program. But today is your lucky day. I was able to find a very easy hack that will allow you to make money from the TikTok creativity program, regardless of wherever you are living. It is absolutely mind-blowing and really hard to believe, but here is proof of what I am saying. As you can see, if I open the new account I got, I have the TikTok creativity program enabled, and I can start creating and earning money. Now, here's how I did it. I found this website where you can buy genuine and legitimate US TikTok accounts that are eligible for the program. The link to this website is in the description box of this video, so go check it out and get yourself a US TikTok account. Remember, without a US TikTok account, you will just be wasting your time since you'll make no money from it. After clicking on the link in the description box, you'll be directed to a page which looks something like this. Here, you can purchase either a US TikTok account or a fully monetized TikTok account, which will start earning money as soon as you post your first video. Go ahead and add to cart and then proceed to checkout. After checking out, the login information for the account will automatically be mailed to you. This website has hundreds of positive reviews, which means their services are legit, and you will also not get shadow banned by TikTok. So why do you even need a US TikTok account? You see, if your target audience is from the US, you will get a higher RPM, which is the amount of money you earn per 1,000 views. An audience from the US will give a much higher RPM, which means you'll earn more money from the views you get. Again, the link to the website is in the description box of this video. Do your very best to go there and buy yourself a US TikTok account. So after you're done getting your account, you will have to begin uploading videos on your account in order to start earning money. But before you even start creating videos, you must find a niche. There are lots of videos you can create, but some are guaranteed to make you filthy rich from this program. After finding your niche, you then have to create your videos in a way that will make you stand out from the competition out there. And since I love you guys so much, I was able to do some research and find the most viral and trending niche for the TikTok creativity program. I have created a full video which walks you through the step-by-step process of creating videos and how you can stand out from the crowd and make more money. In this video, I go over almost all the steps that you have to undergo in order to be successful from this program. These steps are what I followed to make significant amounts of money. The information in that video is very revolutionary and you don't want to miss out on them. So if you want to start making some good money, then check out this video right here. Thanks for watching this video and I'll catch you in the next